In the heart of a vibrant forest lived a tiny fairy named Lila, known for her bright, rainbow-colored wings. She was the keeper of the forest's hidden rainbow, a magical arc that only appeared after a special rain. One day, the forest became dull and gray, with no rain in sight. The animals were sad, and the flowers drooped. Lila knew she had to do something. She remembered an old story about a hidden crystal that could bring rain. With a determined heart, she set off on a quest, her rainbow wings shimmering in the dim light. She flew over tall trees and past silent streams, finally finding the crystal inside a hollow oak. As she touched it, a soft melody filled the air, and the sky began to cloud over. Gentle rain fell, washing away the gray and bringing back the colors of the forest. The rainbow appeared, brighter than ever, stretching across the sky. Lila smiled, knowing she had saved her home. The animals cheered, and the flowers danced in the rain. Lila continued to watch over the forest, her wings a reminder of the magic she held. Every time the rainbow appeared, it was a celebration of her bravery and the secret she protected. She knew that even the smallest fairy could make a big difference. Her tiny wings carried the hopes of the forest, always ready to bring color and joy. The forest was once again a place of wonder, thanks to Lila. She was the secret guardian of the rainbow, a tiny hero with a big heart. The animals were grateful for her courage. Lila continued her watch over the forest, always ready to help. She was the heart of the forest, and the forest was her home. Her story was a reminder of the magic that exists in the world. She was small, but she was strong, and she was the keeper of the rainbow.